All right, here we go. Ready to go? Sugar apple. See how nicely separated they are right here? You can see the separation. Now, this sugar apple actually already fell off. Now watch this. It was on the ground. And this is what happens when you don't pick them as soon as you begin to see the scales separating. So what happened is I picked it up off the ground and now it's perfect. It's ready to eat. Now what I might do is I might just put it in the refrigerator for one day and then enjoy this delicious sugar apple. Alright, well, you know what? Never mind. Never made it to the house. I took the sugar apple and it just started falling apart, so I decided to enjoy it, and it is really, really good. This is what the seed looks like. There's bunches of seeds inside, and this happens to be one of my favorite sugar apples. It's just a seed-grown sugar apple, but it tastes wonderful. It has no grittiness to it whatsoever, and it's sweet, nice flavor, absolutely incredibly good. So there you go, sugar apple. Let's grab another little piece off of here. So the way you eat this is you take that and you'll put that in your mouth, and then you can just remove the seed with your mouth. Don't swallow the seed. And there comes the seed. You can see all that nice, soft, has a little bit of grittiness, but almost nothing. It's very, very nice. Right off the tree, actually right off the ground. And amazingly, it just came out perfect.